Last tax season, I sent the exact same document request email 3 times to the same client. Different subject lines, same attachments, because I genuinely could not remember if I'd already sent it. See, that is the kind of thing that happens when you're running client work out of your own inbox, and it's not a workload problem, it's a systems problem. No clear process, no single place for anything, no way to know what's been done and what hasn't. Clients will feel that friction even when they don't say it out loud. So I went looking for something that would fix that, not another add-on tool, a proper system that would run the whole client side of the business without me manually holding anything together. I tested 3 CRMs built specifically for accounting firms: Assembly, which is what I ended up going with, Karbon, and Canopy. Here's exactly how they compare and which one is right for your situation.
Now, before we move forward, a huge thanks to Assembly for sponsoring today's video. I've included an affiliate link in the description. Using it will earn us a little commission, and it helps support the channel, which is genuinely appreciated.
All right, so let me start with that tool I now use every single day, Assembly. When I first came across Assembly, I'll be honest, I was kind of skeptical. Like, I've seen a lot of these all-in-one tools before, and they usually mean mediocre at everything. But the reason Assembly won me over is that it was built specifically for professional service firms, accountants, consultants, legal practices. It's built for people who manage long-term client relationships, not one-off transactions. And that distinction matters enormously. The thing that really changed how I work is the chain reaction automation. Before Assembly, the second a client paid their onboarding invoice, I was the one who had to manually create the folder, send the engagement letter, fire off the welcome email, follow up about booking the kickoff call. But it sounds manageable until you're doing it for like 6 new clients in the same month during a busy season. With Assembly, the moment the payment clears, the entire sequence fires off automatically. Their client portal unlocks, their intake form is assigned, and my engagement letter goes out. Done before I even check my phone. That alone saved me hours every single week. The client portal itself actually deserves its own mention. It's white labeled, so your clients are logging into your branded space, like you got your own domain, your colors, your name at the top. They can see the documents, sign contracts, send messages, view invoices, and complete tasks all in one place. There's no more of this, I didn't get the email, or which link do I use? It all lives in one clean portal. When a client logs in and it looks that clean, the relationship, it starts differently. Assembly integrates with QuickBooks and Xero for your backend accounting, which is non-negotiable for any accounting firm. And for the more specific parts of your workflow, you can integrate any of your favorite tools via Zapier, or even embed analytics tools like Airtable, Jotform, Google Sheets. You can embed it directly inside the portal so nothing lives outside that system. Now, onto the pricing. The starter plan is $59 a month. That's billed monthly, or $39 a month if you go annual. That'll get you 1 internal user, up to 50 clients, and 100 automation tasks each month. And that's more than enough if you're just getting started or running some lean practice. But the professional plan, that's $189 a month billed monthly, or $149 billed annually. And that's where you unlock custom domains, Zapier Make integrations, API access, and up to 500 clients. For most small to mid-size accounting firms, that is really the sweet spot. There is also an advanced plan that's like $499, $500 a month. That's for firms that need unlimited clients, HIPAA compliance, deeper security controls. So is Assembly the cheapest tool on this list? No, not at all. But just 3 hours a week of manual onboarding at your billing rate will cost more than the subscription in and of itself.
If you do want to check out Assembly for yourself, I put an affiliate link in the description. Using it earns us a commission and helps the channel.
Now, let's talk about Karbon, because if you spent any time researching CRMs for accounting firms, you've already heard of this, and for good reason. It is a seriously capable platform. Karbon was built from the ground up specifically for accounting firms. It is not a general CRM that's been kind of nudged toward accountants. It was designed with accounting workflows at its core. The thing Karbon does better than almost anyone is email integration. Every client email gets automatically linked to the relevant client record and can be turned directly into a task or assigned to a team member with an @ mention. If you've ever lost a client request because it got buried in a shared inbox, you understand immediately why that's so valuable. The workflow automation in Karbon is excellent. There are over 250 pre-built workflow templates for tax prep, client onboarding, month-end close, and you can build your own with custom triggers and task dependencies. For a firm with a team of 3 or more people who need that visibility into who's working on what, Karbon's capacity planning is genuinely impressive. So why is it number 2 on my list? Well, a few reasons. One, Karbon is primarily a practice management tool with CRM features. It's not a unified client portal in the same way Assembly is. The client-facing experience feels more like a support system for your internal team rather than a premium branded experience for your clients. clients. For me, the client experience matters just as much as the internal workflow, and that is where Karbon shows a real gap. Secondly, the pricing adds up real fast here. The team plan runs around $59 per user per month when billed annually, and the business plan, which is where you unlock automation and client reminders, is around $89 per user per month. Custom reporting, which most growing firms are going to actually want, is a significant paid add-on. Contact migration, another $300. For a 5-person team, you're looking at a serious annual commitment before you've touched any of the extras. So price it out fully before you compare it to anything else. Karbon is the right call if your biggest pain point is internal team collaboration and inbox chaos, especially if you're running a team of 4 or more. It is genuinely excellent at that. But if you're a small firm, solo practitioner, just wants clients to feel like they're working with a top-tier operation from day one, the complexity, the cost, it just might not be worth it at this stage. And then there's Canopy, which takes a completely different approach, and it's worth understanding why. What makes Canopy distinct is its modular structure. See, rather than buying one big platform up front, Canopy lets you start with a core CRM and add modules as your firm grows. Billing, document management, time tracking, tax workflows, each one is an optional add-on. The client portal in Canopy is honestly one of the best ones I've seen in this space. It's clean, it's intuitive, clients can upload documents, e-sign, track file status without ever needing any kind of tutorial. The tax workflow capabilities are very strong. Canopy has direct IRS integration. That is really useful for tax resolution work. And its document management with automated client notifications is solid for any firm regularly collecting documents under deadline. Here's where it gets a little complicated though. That modular pricing model is a little bit of a double-edged sword. See, the standard plan starts at $74 per user per month if billed annually. And that does sound reasonable until you realize it's just the CRM foundation. The moment you add the billing, the tax resolution, the document management modules, the actual monthly cost is going to climb considerably and starts to feel kind of unpredictable. A lot of firms find that their affordable Canopy setup ends up costing more month to month than they originally planned because they kept needing just that one more module. So Canopy is a great fit if you're a small firm that wants to grow into a system incrementally. If you handle complex tax clients and you want a strong document portal, it's great. But go in with a clear list of the modules you actually need and price it out before you commit. Don't just go off the base rate. So here is the honest answer. The question you need to ask yourself is this: are you buying a tool to organize your team or to organize your client experience? And ideally, both. If your biggest problem is internal chaos, emails falling through the cracks, staff not knowing who owns what, Karbon genuinely excellent at that. Just price in the full picture before you sign up. If you want to start small and add features as you grow and your work is heavily tax and document driven, Canopy is a credible option. But model out what you'll actually need month 1 before you go off the base rate. For 90% of the accounting firms watching this, Assembly is the answer. It's the only tool on this list that makes your clients feel like they're working with a premium firm and automates the backend at the same time. Because most CRM tools will make your internal life easier, Assembly makes your client's life easier. And that in turn makes your internal life easier. In accounting, that's the thing that actually builds trust. It integrates with QuickBooks and Xero. It's SOC 2 Type 2 and HIPAA certified, so all the compliance boxes are ticked. And the chain reaction automation means that the first week of every new client engagement no longer depends entirely on your own to-do list.
Big thanks again to Assembly for making this all possible. You can grab a 14-day free trial in the affiliate link in the description. It earns us a commission and helps the channel.
Also, if you're a brand yourself and you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, you can reach out using the email that I'll also leave down in the description. Drop a comment below. Tell me, what tool are you currently using? What's driving you crazy about it? I read all of them. Love hearing from you guys. Like the video if it helped, and I will see you in the next one.